Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Oh, phone's ringing, it might be on this van. I'll tell you what, I am super excited about this one. This is a 2017 Dodge Caravan. And in my opinion, a Caravan is one of the best minivans you could ever buy. They're the ones that started it all and they nailed it. They know what to do. This one is a 17, so you're gonna have your 3.6 liter engine in it, which is by far the best engine they ever put in one. It's the SE package, which is going to get you your alloy wheels. And I can tell you, I love the color of this one. That gray, it looks sharp, and it's very easy to keep clean. This one's going to give you your rear backup camera. And here is where they really nailed it, guys. You've got a deep well right there for all of your cargo. Those seats will fold flat into the floor, completely flat into the floor. The front seats, of course, will fold flat into the floor as well, and it gives you a ton of cargo area. I have a full pictorial of that, and definitely check that out so you can really see that cargo option and seating configuration there. This one is in excellent condition. You do have your captain's chairs with your armrest there. And again, those will fold flat into the floor. And I have a complete pictorial of that. You also have, if you're not folding the seats into the floor, you have a ton of storage space underneath there. I mean, it is overrun with storage. It's phenomenal how much you can haul in one of these things. Inside here, you're gonna have all of your power options, including your power rear vent windows. You see that you're going to have your duplicate audio controls and Bluetooth right there. You're going to have cruise control. Of course, your premium audio, and that does have HDD radio, which is going to allow you to store up to 28 gigabytes of music on here. Simply input your USB device and store your music right on there. Of course, it is completely hands-free. You do have dual climate control. You have the Econ button, which is going to help you maximize your fuel economy, which is phenomenal for a vehicle this size. You do have your cup holders, additional storage down here. You do have additional storage there with cup holders. You do have a mirror there that pops out, which is going to let you keep an eye on everyone behind you without having to take your eyes off the road, without having to turn around. You just look right there. It's a really good idea. I mean, if you've not driven one of these new body Caravans, you have got to get down here and drive these things. That engine is phenomenal. It's overrun with power. You're still getting almost 30 miles to the gallon in this thing. Less than 36,000 miles, guys. This thing has factory warranty left on it. And I can tell you one thing, the SE package is equipped exactly how I would personally want it, because you get all the options you want with none of the stuff you have to worry about. One thing I can tell you is with the power doors, and I've been doing this since before power doors were available. Power doors break, guys. They break. This one you don't have to worry about. And it's easy to open and close. If I had to personally pick me one out, I would never have power doors, because it's something that's gonna break. You got kids, that's why you're getting a van. We know what kids can do to vehicles. I've had 4 of them, I've raised 4 of them. I know what they can do to vehicles. It's equipped exactly like I'd want. And again, super low miles, fantastic condition. This vehicle was local, right out of Waynesboro. Very clean inside and out, which can also be hard to find in a minivan. This one is very clean. Do not miss it. You can call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. And also remember, we have no processing fees here. That can be a big deal, because we're seeing them jump from $599 to $1,500, just ridiculous fees. Don't pay those, guys. Get down here and drive this one. I'm telling you, you're not gonna find a better van with better mileage for under $16,000. Get here quick, drive this one. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.